Today, you will learn how to talk about your Eid day in English. Simple and easy.
No, wow, that sounds very useful for English conversation practice.
Yes, this is perfect for English for beginners and daily English conversation.
Many learners want to learn English, but they don't know how to speak about real life.
Exactly. Today, we will practice easy English conversation about Eid.
I love this topic. Eid is a very happy day.
Yes, let's start. So, how was your Eid?
Oh, my Eid was wonderful.
That's nice. What did you do in the morning?
I woke up early.
I woke up early. That is a very useful sentence.
Yes, then I got ready and wore new clothes.
Oh, nice. I wore new clothes. Listeners, repeat after me. I woke up early. I wore new clothes.
Very good. This is great English speaking practice.
Yes. Now tell me, where did you go?
I went to the mosque for Eid prayer.
I went to the mosque. This is perfect for English listening practice and speaking. Repeat after me. I went to the mosque.
After the prayer, I met many people.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, I said Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Very common and useful. Listeners, you can say, I met my friends. Repeat after me. I met my friends.
Then I came back home.
I came back home. Good sentence for Learn English A1, A2 learners. Repeat after me. I came back home.
At home, my family was very happy.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Yes, we greeted each other and smiled.
Smiling is very important. Now tell me, what did you eat?
I ate a lot of food.
Same here.
We ate biryani, meat, and sweets.
Oh, wow, delicious food. Listeners, repeat after me. I ate biryani. I ate sweets.
This is easy English conversation for real life.
Yes, now let's talk about visiting family. Did you visit your family?
Yes, I visited my grandparents.
Very nice. Repeat after me. I visited my grandparents.
I also visited my uncle and aunt.
Good. Very good sentence. Now let's talk about Edie.
Oh yes, I love Edie.
Everyone loves Edie.
I received Edie from my parents.
I received Edie. Repeat after me. I received Edie.
I also gave Edie to children.
Oh, that's very kind. Repeat after me. I gave Edie. Now let's talk about feelings. How did you feel on Eid?
I felt very happy.
Simple and perfect. Repeat after me. I felt happy.
I also felt excited.
Excited means very happy and full of energy. Repeat after me. I felt excited.
And I felt grateful.
Oh, that is beautiful. Grateful means thankful. Repeat after me. I felt grateful. Now, let's listen to a short Eid story.
I like stories.
Okay, listen carefully. On Eid morning, I woke up early. I wore new clothes and went to the mosque. After the prayer, I met my friends. Then I came home and greeted my family. We ate delicious food together. Later, I visited my grandparents. I received Edie and gave Edie to children. I felt very happy and grateful.
Oh wow, that is a very nice story.
Yes, very simple and useful for English learning podcast. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I woke up early. I went to the mosque. I met my friends. I ate delicious food. I visited my family. I felt happy.
Very good. You are doing great English speaking practice.
Now let's ask some questions. What did you do on Eid?
Listeners, try to answer.
Who did you visit?
What did you eat?
How did you feel?
You can answer in simple English.
Yes, small sentences are perfect. This is how you learn English step by step.
Exactly. Easy English conversation every day helps a lot.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.